Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Vinted application within your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Vinted application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the sign up for Vinted as well as I already have an account option. Now in order to log in, you will need to tap on the second option. And now you will see three different options. If you created your account using your Facebook or your Google account, you can click on the respective buttons and you may simply choose your Facebook and Google account to allow access in order to log in through a shortcut. Otherwise, just click on continue with email. And now you will be asked to enter your username or your email address along with your password. You can use either your username or your email and then type in your account password underneath. Then just click on the login button and now you will be logged in to your account on the Vinted application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Vinted application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.